Why does this doesn't go this way? Are you ready, Nan? Bang bang! We might need this.
Yeah.
This. Ready? Is there... Ready?
I think so. Are you ready?
Yeah. Did it start?
Huh?
Did it start?
What is up? This is Sean with 8-Bit, and I am back with
Harrison!
Harrison. We are back. We had Kid take over the channel last video. My two older boys wanted to do a couple bags on their own.
And this. Bang bang!
So they did it, and hopefully it turned out great for everybody. But we're back. Welcome back. And we are going to be doing bag 13 today. That's really loud in the video, so we don't want to touch it that much until we're ready to go. Get ready to do bag 13. You can see the kind of where we're at, what they accomplished. I watched the video. It's pretty funny. We'll put it out, put it together, but looking like a TV. You know, we got the antenna, the back's being built.
And we have this.
It's looking good, yep. And we have the main unit over there. So I think this one we build a little more components inside and build the rotating mechanism. So let's get going. So the rest of 13 was this piece here. I'm not exactly sure where it goes, but it was very specific on how we needed to line up these little wheels. So we had to take it back apart and line them up correctly. Is this only 14? Can you get up and walk down and check? Bag 14 now, let's go. Is there one bag 14 over there? Hold them up. All right. Bag 14 done. Looks like chain, like almost like we made chains here.
Can we do 15?
Belts.
Can we
Almost
do
like a belt.
15 too? Because
Stop. Yeah, we will, but we gotta stop the video.
Okay.
All right. Wait. Come here, what are you doing?
All right.
All right, bag 13 and 14 done. Not too bad. Not too bad. This is a little tough. You know, thumb gets a little sore clipping those together, but let's keep rocking and rolling. We're going to do 15 and probably 16 next,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah,
So,
in the next video.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.